leave a message and not hit you back.
You know I love you. I'm sorry that I said I didn't earlier. It's just the one thing I knew would hurt you. I'm sorry. But you know I love you. And I know that you love me too. It's just that sometimes love isn't enough. At least not for us. I mean, it shouldn't be this hard, you know? We're always fighting and saying things that we don't mean and then we can't take them back, and I hate that. I wish I could forget all of the bad, but we haven't been on the same page for a while now. We've let too many bad days happen in a row, and I'm just tired. I don't know where to go from here. How do we grow from here? Maybe we don't. I think we both know that we've grown apart, that we want different things. And I think the reason that it hurts so bad is because I still love you with all of my heart. And you'll always have a piece of me. But I don't want to do this anymore. I want to break up. I'm sorry. You know I love you. But love just isn't enough.